a great time here. Basically, the plan is to have lots of good food from Sukoon. Instant Karma has a great party plan. They're going to have a saxophone player. They're going to have a Sufi singer. There's a DJ playing at the back. There's going to be a lot of dancing, a lot of fun. And we're just going to have a great time. You can hear the crowd behind me. They're going crazy. It's such a fun party. We're looking forward to many more events like this from Instant Karma. Instant Karma rocks. Go Bhavni, go Amitabh. Way to go. So we love it. It's a really fun place. So we're having a great time. A lot of dancing. Yeah.
So what are the plans for this event and how are you enjoying this party?
Oh, we're having a great time at this party. As you can see, DJ is already playing. There's a lot of great food from Sukoon and a lot of fun people around here. We're here with our friends to enjoy. So it just has to be a great party. Instant Karma rocks. Instant Karma, Bhavni, Amitabh did a great job organizing it. We're on San Francisco Bay in a hornblower cruise, having a great time with with our Valentines, and we're having a great time with all the friends as well. So absolutely fun event. There's going to be a lot of dancing. There's a saxophone player coming on stage here pretty quickly. There's going to be a Sufi singer, a DJ. It's just going to be fun all the way around. So if you guys are not on this cruise, you really missed the boat. You should have been on it. We had a great time. We're looking forward to a really fun evening. So absolutely fun. All I can say is I wish we do this every year. Instant Karma, make sure you do it every year. We want to have a great time like this all the time. Thank you all.
पहली बात तो ये जो तू टिकटॉक टिकटॉक चलती है माना ये सारी तेरी हाई हील्स की गलती है तू तो जा तू है कौन तू तो बता तू है कौन कहाँ से कहाँ को जाएगी जागे न कहा ये सब मैं पर देख चुका जैसी तो बच जाती है पर तो बच जाती है मैं हूँ शिकारी ये खाली मेरा बारी जाना तुझको नहीं जाने मेरे घर बार जाना करके रैप में अपने तो मुझको बिठा लेगा मुझे जो तंग किया कुछ मेरे संग किया तो मेरी हाई हील से मार तो खा लेगा नचे दिन खुल जाने जुल्फ पे ताड़ियां सीने विच पिछले दिल तक लैन वाड़ियां नचे दिन खुल जाने जुल्फ पे ताड़ियां सीने विच
Valentine's Day to everybody from PNG Jewelers. PNG Jewelers has been in existence from 1832. We have about 20 stores worldwide. We have 2 stores in the Bay Area, in Sunnyvale and in Fremont. And another exciting thing is we are going to be opening a new store in New Jersey on March 18th. Yippee!
you.
Happy Valentine's Day.
So, how are you enjoying this party?
We are loving it. It's a great place. You don't find cruises with Indian music, so this is one of the rare opportunities that we are really enjoying it.
No, just simply this saying that it's amazing and it's great. I always keep telling him I love Indian music. So the surprise that he's given me, it's just amazing, blowing me out.
How do you find this party different from regular club parties?
This is a dinner cruise, so it's a different experience. You have a beautiful bay bridge behind. It's colorful. It has sparkling white light. It's just awesome to see. And you can't experience this amazing music, the beautiful scene, beautiful sea view, and amazing crowd at the same time on Valentine's Day special. That's like awesome combination.
And do you want him to take you out again on next year?
Oh, definitely. I would love to do this again and again.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
So, tell us about this party.
So, it was always been my dream to host a Valentine's romantic cruise. And we've been planning, thinking about doing this for the last 4 or 5 years, but never got a chance to come around and do it. So this year I was like, I have to do it. I want to make sure that it's going to be an amazing night. We, handpicked everything from the food to the decor to the style to the performers, and people are loving it. I love this view, and it's just been an amazing night. And we're very lucky that there's no rain. The moon is beautiful. The moonlight's beautiful. The weather's amazing. And we're happy that an Instant Karma event turned out to be a very amazing Valentine's event.
party on the horn blower. Dil Dharakne Do on the Hum Saath Saath Hai floor.
It's a great view and we're enjoying ourselves. Great food, great company, and can't forget the Bay Bridge.
That's all. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Bye.
Hi viewers, this is Amitabh Bhargav from Instant Karma and you are in the Love Boat, and this is a San Francisco 3-hour cruise organized by Instant Karma that's managed by Bhavani, and we have 3 decks and you can see in the back that everybody's having fun. We are right now in level 1 deck, and about our company Instant Karma, we do something different. We started doing Bollywood parties, and last year we did Sonu Atif concert in Oakland Arena with a record-breaking 13,000 people. So it's one of our company does innovative stuff in events, and thank you so much for watching us.
करे तू करे जब देखे हमें झूठी तेरे मुखड़े पे जैसे काला तुझे तेरे अपनी अदाओं से ज़बनी तो 10 बार लड़के तो मार ही देती होगी तू दिल में जैसे 36 फिरते हैं मेरे वर्गी और न होने पे और न होने और न होने तू मुंडा बिल्कुल देसी है मैं कटरीना तो सोनी पे जचदा है कोई मुखड़े काला चश्मा जचदा है कोई मुखड़े काला चश्मा जचदा है कोई मुखड़े ते हो दियां तुम्मा पे